This is only a short version of the 1 hour painting process. If you're already a member, now you can go into our new and improved learning center to watch the full video. This channel is all about learning how to draw and paint with relaxation. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Now I'm going to start doing the masking. Take a look. Start from, I think I'm going to get a little more red color into here. That's a little bit darker already. Now I'm going to start painting. Now here you go. When you get closer to the front, I'm going to, here you go. Like that. And take a look. Be a little careful. I'm going to have a little bit lighter and also a little bit more red shade blue color. I'm going to have a little bit like that. Add a little bit more water. Here you go. I'm going to look for that. And even though you can also using lifting to change that. Now I'm going to have a little bit white shape at the front over here. Now I'm going to change the water again. Add a little bit more water, a little bit more red shade blue color. Be a little sensitive at the front over here, like that. Here you go. Now they got to the beach edge over here, like that. Okay, that's good. And now the front over here, that would be the lot more brown color. So I'm gonna take the red and the yellow color together, right? With the blue now become the brown color. It's very simple. There's a little bit too much red, so I'm going to get a little bit more yellow color, right? Now I'm going to get a little bit more yellow color, so this is good. I'm going to have this color coming over here and touching the blue color. That's good, like that. So you can mix it right on the paper. That's easy. Okay, coming like that. There's a contact over here. Okay. Now you take a look at all those different colors, how they were going to connect together, right? I think the color on the beach, that is just totally fine. You don't have to have it too dark, right? So I'm going to take a look at the connection between these two colors. I'm going to have a little bit blue color. I'm going to start having those actually integrate together like this. Just use the side of the flat brush, connect that together like that, because it's still pretty wet. So it's pretty easy to connect that color together. Now that's good. I want to modify the light shape in the wave. So I'm gonna clean my brush and I'm gonna start doing some lifting. I also want it to be a little bit softer in some area, right? It's very important seeing some area a little bit softer, the edge a little bit harder, and we're gonna add the little shadow a little bit later. Okay, that's good. And also under here also have some reflection of the white shape. So I'm also gonna lift up a little bit over here too, and even have some small movement. There's some light shape on the top. You see that the movement over here. So right now we're setting up the proper stage for later. I'm gonna coming over here and a little wave, lightweight, continue on this side and moving on. That's good, like that. And maybe over here, like that, have the wave moving across her. That's good. And on this side over here, I'm gonna have this also integrate into the surface of the water. Now I'm going to use the calligraphy brush, introduce some shadow shape. And the shadow shape have a little bit green. That means I'm gonna have a little bit yellow color, mix the green over here. Okay, that's good. All right, making sure it's dark enough. I'm gonna have a little bit red into it, and this is a little bit darker color. That's good. Okay, now I'm gonna take a look at that, and there's a wave over here. Here you go. Look at that, like this. Take a look at how the movement. So this is what I'm talking about, that all the movement, the shape in the painting need to be somehow working together, integrated component of the painting. I'm going to take a look at here. A little bit darker over here. Use the toothbrush and just apply some dust effects on the beach. Now I'm going to remove the masking fluid. Okay, I'm going to mix the skin color and try to paint the skin color. Now I'm going to paint it from the top over here. Okay, a little bit. That's the arm. Like that. That's just the foundation for the skin. Also a little bit darker on the side over here. Okay, I'm going to do this. Continue doing the shadow side. A little bit darker, a little bit blue. Now here you go. Coming from the bottom over here. A little color over here, and then look at the shadow. Take a look at the whole painting to see what other thing that we also need to adjust. And there's enough details. Now I'm gonna have the Winsor blue red shade. Take a look. Now this painting is finished.